Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about my top favorite cruelty-free makeup products of 2018. There are some products that have been out there for some time but are new to me, and then there are some new products that launched last year that I fell in love with. So yeah, anyway, let's get into this. I'm going to start off with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this product I absolutely love. I use this as a concealer but also as a foundation sometimes when I'm just going out to run some errands and I still want to look somewhat okay. So I just put a few dots on my face and then use my beauty blender or a brush and buff it into my skin, and it will just look really natural and even out my skin tone. But what I absolutely love about this concealer is that it's the best, or one of the best, under eye concealers that I've ever used. Now, a lot of times concealers crease under my eyes and they look cakey or they dry out my skin, and the Born This Way concealer doesn't do that at all, which I absolutely love. So this one has become one of my top favorite cruelty-free makeup products of 2018. Next up, I have another complexion product, and it's the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. And this one I picked up a few months ago, but I just fell in love so quickly with this product. If you've watched my previous video, then you will know that I've been struggling with some severe breakouts over the past couple of months. And I just wanted a foundation that can just really cover up all the blemishes and imperfections. And this product does a really great job. I also like the fact that it's long lasting, and this foundation doesn't set into any dry patches, it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't dry out my skin, so it's absolutely perfect. I can highly recommend this foundation, especially for those with dry skin. I'm not sure if it would work for oily skin, but for my dry skin it worked perfectly. Now, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit has been around for a super long time, and it's been like a cult favorite in the beauty community. I only bought this last year, but I can see why people love it so much. I like the packaging. It's just cardboard packaging, but it makes it really travel friendly because it's not bulky, and you get 6 different shades. As you can see, I've been using the 2 shades at the bottom quite a bit. I don't really use the top shades, to be honest. I'm not really sure what to make of them. But the contour shades I absolutely love, and they're long lasting. They don't fade throughout the day, which I really like, and as you can see, I'm wearing it today. What's great about this contour kit is that it's not only cruelty free, but it's also suitable for vegans. For this product I'm cheating a little bit because I found this at the end of 2017. And it's the W7 Very Vegan Highlighting Powder, and it's in the shade Nature's Glow. I don't think there are any other shades, to be honest. I think Nature's Glow is the only shade. This is what the highlighting powder looks like, but I have been using it throughout 2018. This one has been my most used highlighter of last year, so I highly recommend this. What I love about this product also is you get a lot for the money that you pay. I think it retails for around £10. I did buy it when it was on sale for around £5, which is amazing, and I always get compliments whenever I use this product. One of my newer makeup additions is the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. Now, this is totally out of my comfort zone because I don't normally go for pinkish reddish tones, but I just fell in love with the colors when I swatched them in Sephora, and yeah, I just wanted to buy it, to be honest. I love the colors. I love the multi-reflective eyeshadow shades, which there are 4 of, and they're just so pigmented, very buttery, and what can I say, I love it. I've been using this palette quite often recently, and I'm also wearing the eyeshadows today. As you can see, this is the look, and yeah, there's nothing more to say. It is pricey, but I do think it's a very beautiful palette. Last but not least is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Bare It All. I love this color. It's a very beautiful neutral lipstick. I think it's also suitable for vegans if I'm not mistaken. The only thing I don't like about this product is the packaging, because when you put on the lid, because the lipstick doesn't go all the way in, it kind of ends up smudging on the lid if you're not careful enough like me. But other than that, I think it's a beautiful lipstick. It's very affordable. It's a little bit drying for my taste, but then again, I only paid £5, so I can't really complain. I mean, it's a great product for the price that you pay. And that's the last product of the top favorite cruelty-free makeup of 2018. Obviously, I've bought a lot more makeup than I've just shown you, but I just really wanted to show you the top of the top cruelty-free makeup products that I bought last year. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there are any cruelty-free or vegan-friendly makeup that you think I should try out, then comment down below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!